Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The Prophet ﷺ said, the most cleanest food is that which is earned by the labor of one's hand. In fact, the Prophet Dawud al-Islam used to work with his hands for his living. In another tradition, a person came to the Prophet ﷺ and asked, O Ya Rasulullah ﷺ, which income is more clean and better? The Prophet ﷺ replied that the one who works with his hands and every trade which is done with honesty. The second tradition tells us that every trade which is done with honesty, that is the trade which is commendable by the Prophet ﷺ. A trader who doesn't fear the loss and done his trade with honesty and truthfulness, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give him the rank equal to the Siddiqeen, the truthful believers, the martyrs, and even the prophets.